How was your day? My day was amazing. In the morning, it wasn't really a good weather. It rained and it was freezing. But then again, around noontime, it started becoming warm and the sun started to shine. Look at that. I'll show you outside. It's nice now and it's a bit warm. I'm still wearing my long sleeves because I thought it's going to be a cold day because this is just Melbourne. But by the way, what do I have for you today? Well, first of all, the example that I have given you about the weather, like, it was gloomy this morning, but then all of a sudden it turned out to be a nice day. So life is just like that. It can't always be gloomy. It can't always be sad. It can't always be down. It can always be problem all the time. As they say, there's always rainbow after the rain. Do you agree? Because I do agree on that. I would like to give you some tips that hopefully will help you get closer to your goals. First, I would like you to learn how to be more conscious. Make conscious decisions. You've got to know why you are doing certain things. You've got to know if you're doing the right thing or not. Why are you doing business? Why do you think you want to get up every day, work, and leave? You've got to know the reasons why. And learning to be conscious will actually help you identify the things that you should do and you shouldn't do so that you can achieve a certain goal. So once you learn how to be more conscious, you've got to be certain with one thing. You've got to set up a goal for yourself that you have to work yourself around with. And having a goal, again, I always mention it, that it actually serves as a guide for you. And you gotta set a goal in order for you to have something to look forward to. Otherwise, you wake up every day and feeling useless. And that's the time that you become unfazed, wherein I felt useless. And you know how much effort I had to do and how much prayer and so much reprogramming my system so that I can get out of that phase. But I've made it, so I'm sure that whoever is watching this now, you can do it as well. And I have 3 keys that you might also apply in your own life that can help you. One is, every day, get up and get a pen and paper, write your daily goals. As what I have mentioned, you gotta set up a goal, right? So create a bigger goal, a big goal for yourself. Is it for your personal improvement? Is it finances? Whatever it is, you've got to write it down. And then every day you wake up, you've got to write down the tasks that you need to do in order for you to get closer to that goal that you've set yourself for. And you got to learn how to prioritize. What are the tasks that you need to do? So for example, you want to be fit. So what's the first thing that you need to do in the morning? You gotta exercise, right? You gotta probably have to go to the gym. You gotta have your diet plan, all that sort of stuff. If you are a business person like myself, especially to my sad family, if you are already in the travel business, I have a tip for you that you gotta write down the things that you want to achieve every day. For example, you have set yourself for 100,000 profit. So every day, what are the things that you need to do? You need to market. You have to make sure that you have market enough so people will start noticing you and your products and services so they can start purchasing from you. Otherwise, if you don't market, no one will buy. But even before that, if you think this is a new business for you, what's your task supposedly so that you can actually start selling? You've got to learn the business if you have no idea and what to do. You've got to go back to the modules. You've got to learn. You've got to seek an assistance from the customer support. Ask questions. There's so many things that you have to write down because most of the time our brain can't handle everything, and having something written will actually remind you properly so that you can get things done. All right? And second, you have to have a belief system. You've set yourself a goal. For example, you want $1 million a month income. You gotta believe it. You've gotta picture yourself already living the dream. You've got to visualize the kind of life you are going to get because you believe in yourself that this is already happening to you. You've got to feel it within. And do not be shy to talk out loud about your dreams, because the more you become comfortable of talking about the life you want to achieve for yourself, for your loved ones, you actually create neuron pathways, which leads you to action plans. So don't be shy. If you think you have crazy dreams for other people, it's okay, because probably now it doesn't make sense to them. But then as long as you believe in yourself that you can do it. It is going to happen. It is happening. Then you yourself will never give up. Instead, you will be pushed more to do the necessary actions so you will get there. And key number 3, you've got to invest in yourself. Before, I've got that I know it all attitude. I had to give it up. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone to achieving what I have achieved. There are many things that I don't know, and I need someone to teach me and guide me. And the moment that I've opened myself to people to tell me, and actually to tell me off if I'm doing the right thing, that was the only time that I felt like, oh, I'm growing. I'm actually becoming a better person. So investing in yourself is very important. Find a mentor that can help you acquire the necessary skills and knowledge that you need. Invest in courses or opportunities that can help you grow as an individual or as an entrepreneur. Like me, I have paid thousands of dollars so other people can teach me. I've paid several hundreds of dollars so that I can read the books of successful people, which will help me acquire knowledge that I never had. Investing in yourself is the most valuable investment that you will never regret. So never be scared of investing in yourself. Go to the gym, pay a membership, go for a diet plan. You gotta feel good about yourself. You've gotta be fit enough, you've gotta be capable, you've gotta have your well-being so that you can do the great things you are bound to do. Okay? So I hope I've given you something today. Do not rely onto external forces too much. You are the main key to your own success. No matter how good the opportunities are, if you block yourself to things that could help you grow, like if you think that of a negative thing already, instead of finding solutions, you prefer to run to complain, then no matter what good explanation is not going to be good enough. So you've got to help yourself most of all. Alright? So don't forget that. Be the main key. Program yourself so that you can get closer to your goals. You've got to believe it and you've got to work on it. That's it for today. This is Coach Aizy. Never stop until you get there. Bye.